Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select tagging information on the Facebook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the profile icon down below, which is the fourth option. Then tap on the three dots icon next to the edit profile button. Click on profile and tagging settings. Scroll down till you find this tagging section, and here click on the first option, who can see posts that you are tagged in on your profile. You have three options here that you can choose from, such as your friends of friends, your friends on Facebook, and friends accept. So here you should select your friends to whom you don't want to show your posts. So click on the relevant one and then it will be updated automatically. If you go back, you can see that you have another option that you can select, such as when you are tagged in a post, who do you want to add to the audience of the post if they can't already see it? Your friends on Facebook or only me? Tap on the relevant one and go back, and all these information will be saved automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.